I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Sarah.
to meet you. Hi, I'm Kate.
Nice to meet you, Kate.
Nice
How
to
are
meet
you
you.
doing?
Good.
Good. My name is Chef Keisha from Sweet Monet Personal Chef Services.
Cool.
We're gonna do a little cooking demo today. We'll make some nice zucchini noodles with pesto. So I'm gonna hand you the zucchini, and all we're gonna do is just snip off the edges.
Each side?
Yes. Just be very careful with your knife.
All right.
Awesome.
Ready? Okay, cool. You wanna go first? Yeah, I'll go. Okay. All right, here we go.
So where are you ladies originally from?
So we live in Philadelphia right now, but I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, and she's from New Jersey.
Oh my
Slow
God.
down, you're so fast.
And now we will do our pesto.
I'm excited for this.
We've never made a pesto.
No.
There's so many different variations of a pesto, so this is great. We have some basil, we have some spinach. We'll add the spinach and the basil right into the mixer.
Okay, cool. I love spinach.
I do too.
It's the best. And these all smell so good.
The cheesier, the better,
Yeah.
I always say.
I'm on board with that. Is it like the base, like mostly oil? Or like when the spinach breaks up, it helps? A lot.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good,
There.
right? Your arm's gonna be tired today.
We're good?
That's good. All right, we're gonna pop top on that baby and let her roll. Start on low.
Okay.
Trying to get things going. Yes. So we're gonna turn on the mixer to low, and then we're just gonna drizzle in a little bit more olive oil because we want a nice smooth consistency.
Okay.
So this is a nice consistency
Wow.
right here.
I
See,
got
it's all
goosebumps.
nice and velvety. We're gonna add our pesto into our zucchini.
Okay.
Cool.
And just give that a quick toss. So ladies, while you're pouring this delicious pesto, where is the wedding taking place?
We are getting married at this place called Park Chateau in central New Jersey. So it's a little far out, but we're like loving being fiancés.
I love it.
It's been a
I'm
blast.
all
I'm
about
glad.
a wedding engagement.
I'm glad we have time to kind of enjoy this season.
Oh my God, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
so much. I am so happy.
We can't
for
wait.
y'all.
Thank
you.
That looks
so good.
delicious. It's all nice and bright and green. So lastly, what we're going to do is just slice up these delicious tomatoes here. And we're just gonna cut them
Like
in
down the
half. Yes. Oh my gosh, she's like,
I love using knives when I'm cooking.
man.
She actually is, and I'm terrible with them, and she hates the way I even hold a knife.
So I'm gonna have you ladies to plate this up. This is something very quick and simple that
It's
you
so
can.
quick.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
I can't believe
super
how
quick.
easy it was.
Yeah, super quick and easy to put together.
Twist.
Twist.
Right?
Yes.
That was terrible. I
Get in there,
go.
girl.
Well, you took all the noodles.
Sorry. You don't want to slide them back in there?
Okay, ready?
Yes. Nice little twist. Twist.
Nice. Twist.
Okay, so lastly, we'll
Some
just
avocado.
add a slice of avocado
Tell you.
as a garnish. That looks amazing.
Cool.
Amazing. So are you ready to try?
Yeah. I'm so excited.
I am so excited.
Ding.
Here we go.
Ding.
Cheers. That's good.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's also so refreshing.
Mm-hmm.
It's really, really, really good. And I usually don't like zucchini.
Well, you ladies did a beautiful job.
Thank you. Thanks to
I'm
you.
So proud.
Thank you.
So proud.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
Hi, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and return for new videos every single week. Don't forget to hit that like button. No, seriously, you should hit it now.